So in the real time, we are seeing like now how we will create generic data source. So we will create generic data source based on the table. So I can call like database table and database view as well. Info set and function model. Function model. The last one is very important. And also sometimes we will get requirement to create based on the table as well. So we already see last class how to create generic data source based on the table. Single table. Now today we want to create view. Create a view based on the multiple tables. We can create view based on one table, or more than one table. More than one table. So we need to, if you are using more than one table, you need to perform joins based on the common fields. Example, we are taking this is like MARA plus MAKT. This is the, okay, you can do example, like you can do these things. Okay, these are the examples, you can do it. You can try it, okay, these options. Okay, I will explain you how to create MARA and MAKT. Visa practically VBAC and VBAC. Now I'm going to create MARA and MAKT. Based on this, I will create one view. Okay, I'm creating view. First log in into ECC. This activity will create in the ECC. First log in the system. So view will create in the S11. Okay, in the real time also you need to get the access for V11, SC11. Okay, now you can see below SC11. See SC11 T code. So now you need to select the second option, view. Okay. So I'm giving like this. Like this I'm giving it. So we need to select the database view. So enter your two tables and select this. See here, I didn't do anything, okay. When I select Mara, automatically it came these two. Okay, let me select. See, relationship, it is coming automatically. I didn't do anything, okay. So automatically it will pop up here. See, I don't do anything. I just select both and click on relationship. Automatically it will come. Otherwise, you need to give manually. So in the MARA table also, we having these two fields, and MAKT also we have these two fields. This is the joint condition. MAKT also MATNAR. MATNAR means material number. And MARA also MATNAR would be there. This is the common field in both tables. These two are common fields in the both tables. If you want, you can see it. Okay, I will open. So now you can go to MARA and you can see this is the mandate and MATNA in the MARA table, right? And go to other table. See here, mandate and MATNA. Both are common. That is the way we are taking that relationship. Go to view fields, next step. Click on table fields. Yes, first table level I want like no Mattner, here is A, Ernum, MTRT. Yes, I want these options. Okay, then go to other table, MAKT. So already taken fields, don't take it, okay? Already taken MANT and Mattner. I don't want to take them, okay? Remaining you can take it. Clear, huh? Yeah. See, now you can see here, last three fields are coming from MAKT. Remaining fields are coming from MARA. You can see table. So like this, we have to take fields from the two tables. Okay, then select checker. If you have any issues, it will throw. So I'm not saving under the, okay, this one. If you want to save under the package, then you can move to the quality. So just give your request number and creating database view. In the real time, it will ask like you. After giving package, it will ask you in the real time. Okay, so there is no issue at all now. That is warning. Now I'm activating it. Yeah, there was no issue. Okay, if you want to see data, click on this option, content, and go to here. Now you can able to see both the data. See this visualization not that much, pretty much good. So go to user parameters, select ALV grid, and okay, the visualization will change. Okay. Okay, now I don't want to see this material showing multiple materials, same materials, but it is in different language. Okay, I don't want all the language. I'll keep it like kind of, where is the language? This one. Okay. Now I'm executing. I will get only English. See, 23, 38, 43, 58, 49, like this we'll get. In the real time also we'll get same like. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to create the data source based on the view. Okay. Just to go to RSO2. You can go to RSO2 and you can generate the data source. So this generate data source, you can create here or else you can go to SBIW as well. Okay. /n SBIW. Anything. Okay. If someone asks you where you will create the data source means, we have to come to RSO2 only. Or else you can go to SBIW and click on this, it will take you to the RSO2 only. See? Okay. Now I'm going to create this option. So just giving like now and copy and paste short, medium, long description. This is normal. And now see here, they give an option view and table both. So now I can give my view name. What is my view name? ZDS underscore V underscore. This is only right. Copy this and paste over there. Are you getting me? See, extra structure will generate now. Automatically system will generate. So this uses you will come to know function module level because we are going to create extra structure. For the info set and the table and view, we are not going to create extra structure. System will generate when the save. See? See? Data source also collecting our data source created in the backend. You can see data source created. And if you want to test this data source, whether it is working or not, go to this text expression. It will take you to the RSA3. Okay. Now you can execute it. If you want to see many records, then you can. Okay. So you can increase like this. If you have many records, it will display in one request itself. So we having that many records. Or else you can go to separate RSA3. See, same data source you created, right? You can go RSA6 and it will create under MM. We created application component MM, right? Go to RSA6 and click on MM. Where is MM? Here you can see. And now you can see this one only, right? This one, not this one. So now we will see our data source, it is there or not. Where is it there? No, we didn't select under this. Okay, go back. Where it is? Yes, here it is there. Whatever we created data source, under this we have the data source. You can see MARA+MAKT, right? Yeah, here we have. So like this you can check it. And also you can check in RSA3 level whether it is working or not. Then fine. Then go to BW system and replicate into BW. Everything is working fine. This is custom data source. We need to replicate into BW. RSDS T code. Now, what is our data source name? This one. And give your source system name. And go to data source and you can replicate the data source. Control Shift F2 as well. You can perform. So just see, once you get entry means that is going to create in the BW, or else it will not replicate. Like this you need to get it. See, now you can see replicated. So now I will go and search for my data source. Go to RSA1, under the modeling, go to find. This is a global find, left side, and go to your type your data source name, select your data source. Only select our data source, click on search. Once you search, you can see it is in disable mode. After activate, it will be equal. So double click it and go to edit mode and activate it. If you want to see the fields, you can see. These fields only we have selected. Now it will generate PSA. When we activate the data source, PSA will generate. See, now it is in. Okay. Now, if you want to see PSA, directly you can see here. Here you can see PSA. It will be blank, right? We didn't pull the data from source system. Right click and you can create the info package. So now I'm creating full. Okay, now we can go to update or schedule. Click on start. Once you start, that means it is fetching data from the source system to BW. So now data will store in the PSA level. Now you can see the data is coming. When you see the processing step extractor, that means even real time also there was no issue. When you see extractor, there was no issue. Even it is taking more time also, do not worry. Okay. Call to BA also almost will come. Sometimes it will have issue, call to BA. Okay. See now. Okay. Total we have records 2,18,000 I guess. See now it is completed. Once you get the symbol and green color, it is completed. How many records came? This many records came. Now you can see it. This many records came. This many packets came. You can see 11 packets came. That you can see in the details as well. Details as well, you can see 11 packets. Okay, if we have any issue, then you need to expand the packets. Okay. What is the PSA? Okay, how many records are there? So how we will see in the PSA level? This is the PSA. Click this one and select all. Now you can select it. Okay. See, now you can see all this. But you can see still I didn't keep any language as a filter. Next level you can put the filter if you want. Okay, this is the, and just let me create in the next field. I will create the DSO. Keep it like this, all the fields I want to know. Go to the info folder, create DSO. So I will try like this. So it will allow now, we'll see. It is taking long time, long length. Now it will accept. So by default it will create standard ESO. By default it will create standard ESO. Now I'll make material number as a key. See, material number as a key. Okay. Remaining I will keep into the data fields. So what do you want? So if I don't know fields, I'll go here. What is the created on, right? So now I will give created on like this. I will search. So I will search like this. Okay. I don't know created on. What is the, okay. Search like this info objects. If it is there, then it will come. Okay. Created on is there. Created by is there. Where is the created and created on? Both we need to select. Okay. 0 created by. So now we got both. Okay. Now again, remaining fields we need to look into it. So I don't know fields, but I want to know a metal type, metal group. Okay, then. Okay, now select like this. We need to search in this way. Metal group, right? Here it is there, metal group. What is the metal group and metal type? Metal type, metal group. Okay. So here metal group is there. 0 metal type also it is there. So slowly we will get like this. Okay, total 5 fields we got it still. Sparse language, metal description. So now what to do? Go to here. We will try like this. Yes, language key. We have a language key. I will select this option. What is the MAKTX description? Next one, both are descriptions only. 0 SHTXT. Might be I will get it. I'm not sure. Not a valid one. Okay. Again, I will search what is the valid info object. Let me check. Do we have any metal text? Yes, metal text. SAP objects, I will search. Okay. Here we have it. Share text, we have it. Here. Here we have it. Okay. Okay, like this you will get it. And one more thing. 0txt underscore md now. MD. Let me try. If it is there, then we'll get it. This is short and medium like this, I get it. Okay, like this we need to search. Even I don't know. So like this we need to search it. These objects available or not. If we don't have available, then get it like this. But the source system different field name in the info object name is different, little bit different. Technical names will be different. Description will match. Okay, now what we have created now, this one. Go to here and create the transformation. What is our data source name? Select data source name. This is our data source name. Correct. Select this. Okay, then you can go here. So now it is matching with the material and material. Here is created on. Yeah. Created by. Who created? And material type. This is the material type. And this is the material group. Okay. And this is material medium descriptions. Material description. This language is okay. Then material. Okay, like this you need to map it. Okay. Both are 40 only. Activate it. Now for language I will put the filter. Okay. Instead of loading 2,18,000 records, I will load only few. So you can create DTP here also, and also right click on the DSO also you will create it. So now I'll keep it like kind of like go to filter, I'll make okay. This is problem actually because of material is having heavy. So like this we need to create a flow. Just I'm showing you how to create the flow. Because geometry having huge amount of data, that is the way it is not allowing us. So let me create and then load it. Even so it will load, but it will not display the data because it will go to the dump. Because you need to create some other geometry like G material kind of you need to create and use it because everybody loading to geometry only. So that is the way it is will go to dump. Okay. Now if we have any issue, it will throw it. Now activate it. Might be will face duplicate data issue because same records are available multiple times. we need to change the key as a key. We need to keep key as a yeah, it's fail. Actually, this designing itself wrong. Why it is? What is the issue? Let's see. Go to here, SID generation, and see here. What is the issue? Yeah. So how you will identify this? Created by. Created by. After L, we have a hash. One space would be there. And also a third letter having this issue. Third letter having kind of double dots are there in the top level. So how you will handle? So in the real time you need to explain like this. DTB got failed due to SID is not generated for the particular value. That is only right. SID generation issue. You can see SID generation issue. And now you can see for which field having the issue created by. There is a one info object created by having this value. Due to this, it is getting failed. SID is not generated for that. Clear? SID is not generated for this because of third letter and also space. How you will fix it? Take this screenshot. Take this screenshot. Take this reference and go back. First we need to delete or else I will change it. I will change here itself. New table itself I will change it. How we will change? What is the issue? See here. GR, right? Created by GR. So now here, where is it created by? Here I will give like this, I will search. Okay, total we having 112 entries. So here, what is the creating the issue? We need to identify that. So this is the issue, right? Created by. So exactly where it will be there, that we need to identify. Slowly go inside. See here, where is the issue? Where is the issue? We will identify them. Slowly, okay? You see here. This is the issue, right? This is the issue. These are all having issue. You can see. Third letter, this is only right, throwing error. Okay, like this you need to identify. In the real time, might be you will have access, you don't have access as well. So now, if you have access, this is the dummy system. I will show you this is the way it will protect you in the real time. So selected and go to here and I'm giving it like kind of /h. Enter, again enter. So it will take you to the debug screen and go to desktop and click on code and click on this option and type edit. Edit only, don't, and enter again and go to F8. So now it will give access here. Remove this. Okay, type same value. Okay, no space, right? Save. Go to this one. So again we have same issue. So type them this one. Save. Go to this. So like this, we need to do activity. Same value. Already I'm paused it and go to here and this select this option and save it and go to next. So multiple records will come when I select in the DSO itself. Save. Go to this will help you a lot in the real time. If we have access, then it will help. No need to reload all these things and all. We can skip it. But see, this means there is no records and all. I'll go back. Now save it. This will change automatically all. Okay. Now we'll try. Okay. Now I will try activate it. No need to delete the request from the DSO level. Directly I'm doing it. Now again I will do activate. This time we'll get success. Again select and start it. So we are reprocessing the failed request. DTP not failed. Okay, DSO activation failed. So that is the way we are doing again activation. Again we modify the data in the inbound table and saved it properly, and then we are reactivating again. I think this time we'll process the data. What we have faced issue, this one. We got this issue, Grendel, and also third letter having this one and also space as well. So we removed it completely. See here, nothing will means now it is fine. Okay. So like this you can. And if you want to create a report on top of this, go to here and go to here, open the query designer. What is our DSO name? ZDSO MARA. Okay, select our system name. Now it is opening the query designer. So might be you are missing, unable to create Bex query. So now you can go to this video and you can create it. So first we need to search for our DSO. What is our DSO name? Right, this one. Now you can go here and you can drag and drop columns and material number, and now you can bring all these things, select, 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 and now you can do it. So all these things I will keep it like no suppress only. Where it is, I will keep suppress and then save it. Now I will give name like kind of same name I will keep it for description as well. In the real time description will not keep with the same name. We will give properly to understand it. But if you want change, you can change it as well. What is the name of this Bex query? Go to query properties, and now you can see this one. And copy, you can go to the RSRT or you can open the Excel. I am opening Excel and there I will open this Bex query. Just to open the query. This is the analysis office. I'm going to open this Bex query and then you can analyze it. Analysis office will use for visualization purpose. You can analyze the data, you can take decisions. Okay, click on this. Now click on skip and click on BW. Now here you can search for it. So now double click on this. Now you can see the data. So material, and now you can see created by, created on, language key, material group, material type. So number of records you can see. What means finished group, finished material. Okay, now you can see clearly this is the report. Once you click on display, now you can see this is the BEX query. Now you can see language key SH. Okay, like this you can see. Clear? See here, 23 having only. Okay, sure. Thank you. Like this you can create.